Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable or disable the virtual aim point on your monitor. At first, scroll to the left where all options you have here. Here, scroll down to the settings and now go to all settings. Scroll down to the game and here scroll down again to virtual aim point, when you have game mode enabled, of course. Click it and here, as you can see, if you, I think you should see this, in the middle of the screen you should see aim point. As it actually here, as you can see, we have red 2, red 1, red 3, and the same is with the green ones, and we can edit the position of the aim thing too. Here, as you can see, we can move it to the right, to the left, to the up, to the down, and with clicking we can confirm, and with the pressing and holding the OK button we can reset. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!